fucking the weeds.
Is it?
They just in the weeds is what it is, or
No, it's a real fish. Don't discount my fish, man.
break that line and shoot this ahead. Oh, look at he got a
It's
salad.
a biggin.
It's a poke salad. Everybody pulls over to get pictures.
Yeah.
Get off the lot. Fuck you. I'm fucking have fun with it.
You're on video, motherfucker. Oh, me too.
Good, because we can use this on the place. Not their first rodeo, though, I'm sure. That tank was the first one they took
They
off?
call it Hoppy.
Yeah.
His name's Hoppy. Yeah, don't disrespect me.
I won't. Disrespect shit.
This is why we came.
Yes, it's pretty cool, isn't it? You don't really think about it, but there's rockets right
Can you
there.
imagine the fucking sound from here? Why these are here? These are here.
Ready?
Yep.
How's your trailer? Your trailer right?
Yeah. Oh, perfect.
Yeah, they're nice, man.
This is bullshit. Don't lose that gold.
No, I stole it off the counter over there.
Did you?
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah. Watch this bad boy. If I throw it out there and somebody hits it, he's gonna shit. Now watch this as it comes out of the water. Pretty hyacinth flower.
See the goat? See the goat hanging out the side of the trailer? The
Yeah,
shell
look at it.
trailer?
There's a dude out there on the bottom below the
Oh,
tower. Look at him. What are you doing in my spot, homie?
that's fun.
Yeah. Well, I got a motor.